Hello out there in TV land, I'm Big Daddy, coming to you because I'm the chef of the future. I'm going to teach you and tell you how to make a sweet potato pound cake. The first ingredient that we're going to start with is 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. You're going to put that in the bowl, stir it together with a whisk. Ooh. Then we're going to go to the other ingredients, which is 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of pressed light brown sugar, a cup of butter, which is 2 sticks, a half a cup of butter flavored shortening. And then what you're going to do with that, I'll tell you in 1 second. You're going to puree some sweet potatoes. Then we also have 5 eggs at room temperature and a cup of half and half. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to mix this together, and it's going to become nice and moist. And just mix it until it's combined. Then after that's combined, you add 1 egg at a time until thoroughly combined. Once that mixture is combined, what you're going to do after that is take a cup and a half of the sweet potatoes, put it in that mix with the vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, whip that together. Once that's done, you're going to grab your dry mix and your half and half. You're going to alternate wet and dry with the wet mix until completely combined. Do not overmix. Then you're going to get you a nice little butt pan. You're going to butter this and flour it. Evenly spread the mixture in this bun pan. Shake it out, tap it out, get all the air out. Put it in the oven at 350 for 1 hour and 20 minutes. But you're going to check it at 50 minutes with a toothpick to make sure it's not done yet, because sometimes it gets done quick. Chef of the future, I'll be back at you. Hello, this is Big Daddy, Chef of the future. Back to you with the pound cake, sweet potato pound cake. Now that it's done and cool, we're going to place it on the tray and frost this baby. So what you do is, place your tray on it, flip it over, do a little dance. Bam! And there's that. Now, I made a little cream cheese drizzle, which was made with 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 stick of butter, which is a half a cup. Mix that mixture together to a nice and creamy smoothie. Add a little bit of vanilla extract, which is approximately 1 tablespoon. And then 2 tablespoons of half and half. Mix that together well, and you got your drizzle. And you can begin frosting. Ooh wee. Say it again, baby. Chef of the future, coming back at you.